Today I will be analyzing a scene from Notting Hill, a classic romantic comedy from the 1990s. My thesis is, the film elements of characters, iconography, and cinematography work together to prove that Notting Hill is a classic romantic comedy. To begin, the two leads in the movie, played by Hugh Grant and Julia Roberts, are complete and total opposites. William is a quiet bookkeeper who lives in Notting Hill in London, whereas Anna Scott is a famous Hollywood actress. It is commonly found in romantic comedies that the main leads are total opposites, but they work together, reinforcing the idea of opposites attract, a common theme in romantic comedies.
But nevertheless, there we go there. They're yours if you want.
We can see from the beginning moments of the film that Anna holds slightly more power than William, both in the way she's dressed as well as the way she confidently says no.
Do you always say no to everything?
No.
That is until William asks her a question that makes her think about what she's saying. In these clips, over-the-shoulder shots allow us to see the emotion on the other's face while they're speaking, and the emotion on the other's face while they're listening. For example, in this one, we watched Anna Scott's entire thought process as William asked her whether she always said no.
I'd better be going. Thanks for your, help.
You're welcome. And, may I also say, heavenly. Just take my one chance to say it. After you've read that terrible book, you're certainly not going to be coming back to the shop.
Thank you.
Yeah, well, my pleasure.
Then it becomes a further away over-the-shoulder shot while Anna says that she should be going, which allows us to see some of the actions that they each take. Over-the-shoulder shots are extremely common in romantic comedies for all of these reasons. They follow the audience to both hear what the characters are saying and witness the emotion tied to the reaction of each character. Here we have an extreme long shot that establishes where they are in the room. This is a common way directors in romantic comedies set up the scene and allow the audience to understand where on set the characters have moved.
Oh. It was nice to meet you. Surreal, but nice. Sorry. Surreal, but nice. What was I thinking?
Once the director moves to a mid-shot, we can see more clearly the nerves on William's face, and we can see more clearly his nervous actions, like running his hand through his hair. As Anna stays silent, we understand that she has quote-unquote more power than he does. Due to the extreme long shot, we know that they are still somewhat separated from each other, and the mid-shot only reinforces that idea. After Anna leaves, the mid-shot allows us to watch as William regrets what he said to her. This is not only interesting from a cinematic point of view, but also from a social and cultural point of view. For once, it's the man feeling nervous and pining after a girl that has more power than he does. It's common in most rom-coms that it's the girl who's chasing after some high-level CEO or famous person, but Notting Hill changes that and makes it so that it's William pining after Anna.
Hi.
Hi.
I forgot my other bag.
All right.
The extreme long shot is made to allow the audience watch William make his way back up to the kitchen until the doorbell rings and he goes to get it. A mid-shot then introduces Anna, and once they start talking, it goes back to over-the-shoulder shots. All of this is common in romantic comedies. As the moment gets really quiet, Anna leans in to kiss William. With the mid-shot that becomes a close-up that zooms in to become a close-up shot, we can see that William is surprised by the action, and when he doesn't say anything after that, the idea is reinforced. In romantic comedies, the main lead's first kiss is an element that directors and screenwriters in romantic comedies pay extreme attention to. The long shot following the close-up allows us to see that the kiss was a surprise for both of them, and the silence exemplifies that further. The iconography of the first kiss, as well as the different ways the shots were used throughout the scene, shows that Notting Hill exemplifies the epitome of what a romantic comedy looks like.